Today we will learn how to randomize the answer order on your WordPress website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress site. When the page loads, look at the top right corner of your screen where you will see the login option. Simply click on this login button to continue. Once you click login, you will be presented with several options for signing in. Locate the option that says continue with Google and click it. At this point, your browser may prompt you to choose the correct Google account. Select the account you normally use for accessing your WordPress dashboard. This step is designed to simplify the sign-in process and ensure that you have secure access to your website. After you have successfully signed in, look around for an option labeled Feedback. It might be clearly visible in the navigation tabs or within a menu on your dashboard. Simply click on Feedback to proceed further. This step is essential because it leads you to additional tools and settings associated with your website's interactive features. Once you have entered the feedback section, your next task is to find the option called Crowd Signal. Crowd Signal is an integrated tool that helps manage surveys and polls on your WordPress site. Clicking on Crowd Signal will bring up the controls and customization features available to you. This is where you will be able to adjust how responses are displayed to your visitors. After you are in the crowd signal area, direct your attention to the right side of the page, where you will see your account details displayed in the form of a drop-down menu. Click on this account drop-down. This menu is where you can access several options related to your personal settings and other related functionalities of your account. Within the drop-down menu, locate and click on the settings option. This section is where you have control over various features and configurations on your website. As you browse through the settings, look for the specific option that allows you to randomize the answer order. This feature is crucial for ensuring that visitors see a different order of answers each time, which can help reduce any bias in their responses. Once you have found the randomize answer order option, toggle it on. It is important that you enable this feature if you wish to change the way answers are presented on your surveys or feedback forms. Finally, after you have turned on the randomization feature, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Options in order to apply your changes. Saving your options is a critical final step because it locks in your new settings and ensures that your website will start displaying survey answers in a random order. By following these clear and concise steps, you can easily modify your WordPress settings to randomize answer order. This change can help provide a more engaging and fair experience for your visitors when they respond to surveys or feedback forms. Enjoy the improved interactivity on your website, and remember that taking the time to adjust these features can significantly enhance user engagement.